Hello there, good morning and welcome to the Sports Updates here on the Max Morning Show. My name is Mutala Yakubu. We are here with the Ghana Premier League because it is the only league that matters. And we're at day 4. 3 games and about so that's so the kind of nature Tamale Stadium, Ali Mahama Sports Stadium and what Tamale Derby, the Dagon Derby with my friend is Tamale City against Real Tamale United. We are seeing the game no echo 1-1.
Good run from Hafiz Adams. He sets up Kushibo and that's the opening goal for Real Tamale United. The pride of the North have broken the deadlock. Baba Kushibo, but that was some good passing play from the Real Tamale United team. It's RTU 1 up against Tamale City.
And we've seen Hafiz Adam in this game, and of course Abagana is in the build-up again. Hafiz Adam in this game has not really been able to produce quality from that side, but the one time that he keeps his calm and picks a good pass, Kushibo arrives, keeps the effort, controls it.
Did it go out or not? It's still Tamale City, good dummy. Can they get an equalizer here? Is it penalty? Penalty!
Went through him and it's just, the defender can make contact, but goalkeeper commits himself. And that is a contact there, right onto the leg of the player. Referee was so sure of what he has seen, and I agree with him.
He's wasting too much time. Referee whistles. Mensah steps back. Here comes Mensah. He steps forward. And Mensah equalizes for Tamale City. They are back on level pegging. It's 1-1 in the Tamale Derby.
What a response. What a response from them, right from going down. Goalkeeper Lukman guesses right, but it's beaten by the pace and the angle of the effort. And this is a better view of it. Look at him, he's very steady, goalkeeper Lukman. But Isaac Mensah picks his spots really well.
Watch it. Sets up Yaya. Yaya, can he score?
So the Tamale Derby there and then 1-1. At the Baba Sports Stadium, Steve Mokwala from Uganda ushered the first goal for Kumasi Asante Kotoko as they also beat City rivals King Faisal by 3-0.
Nete will join the attack. It's the pass once again to Dixon. Now players committed in the 18-yard box. The connection was good. First time of asking, and eventually Mokwala hits the back of the net.
This is marvelous. Super goal from the Porcupine Warriors. With his first goal for the Porcupine Warriors in the Bet Power Premier League. Delightful cross. And just look at the finish. Super finish.
Pass. Good run by Tideku. Sets up the cross. Goal number 2, it should have been. Cleared out by King Faisal. But of course the referee has the advantage. Oh, this is sweet flowing from Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, then again, just look at that pass right from midfield, and it's Tideku who lashes onto it with a delightful cross. A goalkeeper in no man's land crashed into Mukwera, who had made contact with the ball.
Kotoko have a penalty. It's Boedu against Jabal. What a thunderbolt of a shot.
Yeah, it's a rocket. Zoom straight, first of all, to the bar and zoom straight into the net. And what a relieved person he is, Richard Boedu.
That's a no-nonsense penalty.
There we see it again. Blasted that one straight to the crossbar.
And it's obvious that Kotoko would want to continue with the pressure they put on their opponents. That man played a big part. Dixon Afuakwa sends the cross to the middle. Mokwala sets up the pass. Easy does it.
Yeah, simply unstoppable, Kotoko today. On fire, twisting and turning with that cross inside. Mukwela with composure, setting it up for Mensah.
So Kotoko there winning by 3-0. After the game, head coach of King Faisal, Jimmy Kobla, Ekasai was in the rant, and he's hoping that they get better. Said Zebu of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, so Neniajipa.
Now, 4 games into the Bet Power Premier League, you are without a victory. 4 losses in a row. How do you change that to winning ways?
It will come. Trust me. I know what I'm doing. It will come. For all you know, I have never watched them play a game of this sort. So I am seeing, you could see, we brought a centre back, the fair-colored one, Lawe. He was down with malaria, but I said, look, he has played in the Premiership last season. So we have to bring him. Esiama, Ashanti Gold, Kumasi Kotoko, He has also been down with malaria. But when they came, you could see that, look, if we have players of this sort, it will be better. So I am telling you, and I'm still believing that things will change.
Je trouve mon équipe qui progresse petit à petit.
Yeah. As you just said, gradually I see my team progressing as compared to the first matches we played here. You could see that the team has really improved. Yeah, you cannot compare Mukwela and Mbella. They are two different players altogether. Mukwela is Mukwela and Mbella is Mbella. Being the head coach, I'm okay, even though he was not having the score, he have not had the scoring boot, but being the head coach, I'm okay. Today he had a goal, and gradually he will get to the top or the performance that we know Mbella or Mukwela.
Head coach of Kumasi Asante Kotoko say deserve no free Burkina Faso. It's your French na ya chim ewo eye brofum ede amano na de oka nyina ne say ma nkofo eye se o manfo na supporters den compare Steve Mukola and eye striker oko eye Frank Mbella. See they are two different players. Quickly ensure results a PM or match day 4 of the Ghana Premier League matches thinking as I say they are very and we are looking forward to match day 5. I shall say on Saturday Accra to Folk beating baby any goal stars by 2-1 with Bechem United defeating Kotoko Royals by a goal to Accra Lions. So in your results against Dreams FC by a goal to Nelson. Legon Cities any become Chelsea against Nekoye 1-1. While Adriana also beaten Mediema in Takwa surprisingly by a goal to Nelson. Tremanchi Karela trying to come and say went to me anti-movie. Then on Monday, that was yesterday, we had 3 games. Tamale Cities drawing 1-1 with RTU. Then Samatex also drawing goalless with Great Olympics. Faisal Etenefima Kotoko trying to come and say also anti-movie. When the results appear quickly, yen sanche table not na yen hwese nyema sesa so a Adriana are leading the pack after 4 games with 10 points. Accra Lions are second with 9 points. Become Chelsea find themselves are third on the table with 8 points. Great Olympics also fourth with 8 points as well. Asante Kotoko in Swatramani Legon Cities, you know, 7 points. Asuna Media Mane Karela, so 6 points each. Obotosu 8th and 9th respectively, you know. Top half of the table. You share the bottom half of the table. Then share also Nsissaye Aba. The bottom half of the table has Dreams FC on 10th with 6 points. Hard to folk Obudin Kunim on Saturday, they are 11th with 5 points. Samatex at also 12th with 4 points. Kotoko Royal also 4 points. Bechem United maybe be any goal stars in 3 points. And 2 Tamale clubs in a relegation zone. Name RTU and the Tamale City on mobile draw. RTU are 16th with 2 points. Tamale City are 17th with 1 point. Ken Faisa Omuni point as at now Omonari Eda 20 say and our table net here as we head into match day 5 of the Bet Power Premier League. Away from Ghana football and European football because in the UEFA Champions League group stages and not just here they bury no they said fixtures no ababidra. Some of the groups have already been decided. Immediate share who finishes top of the table. By Leverkusen and the Club Brugge and the Pimso and the FC Porto at the Estadio do Dragao also welcome Atletico Madrid who have failed to advance to the next stage. Atletico Madrid in the Europa League. Bayern Munich and Inter Milan, it is more or less a dead rubber game because Omunyina are qualified to the next stage. Liverpool and then Napoli, so it is about who finishes top of the group. Napoli currently are top of the group. It's Liverpool and Omunya victory and Ebia Omobetema Napoli. Marseille and Tottenham, it's a big game because a win for either side can see them qualify to the next stage of the competition. Pelzan and Barcelona at the Bepem. So Barcelona also have failed to advance to the next stage of the competition. And the game way is also a dead rubber game. We Nikura Omonfanko Baby Rangers and I asked the Bepem so Sasson Sporting CP and so and entrant fan frog at the Bepem. So winning Champions League matches at Bebaswende. Away from the UEFA Champions League, let's do something from the world of the NBA because Giannis Antetokounmpo was in action for the Milwaukee Bucks as they beat the Pistons. Sad news for France as they prepare for the World Cup in Qatar. They are the current champions of the FIFA World Cup, but then sad news we Abba. The agent of Paul Pogba Eddie Ababe to just say, Abranteno will miss the World Cup. Pogba was looking forward to recovering that when any injury. Now what she said no better no. 1 week ago and a Juventus training no akwatere fia no hold the chronic akra. But wasamba enra yes wo ye training also TBB woni sire mo TBB woni sire yen kohwa yes Abrante no asem pra omo hwe no when they assess the injury it means that Paul Pogba will miss the World Cup. So France are already missing Abrante N'Golo Kante and Paul Pogba. In 2018, Omoje World Cup, it was Paul Pogba and Kante and an two midfielders are Omobo. And Omumienu nyina entimi mo World Cup ni bi. So big blow for France and our Moko Qatar. Nti se say there aye Chomeni di Kamavinga mo omumre and Edruso. So France will miss Paul Pogba in this year's World Cup.